Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I have Nissan car problem because air conditioning compressor power supply is not coming. So, well, I will explain very simple. For this car have problem. AC compressor clutch relay is the melts because somebody he will fix it external fan without relay connected with AC compressor, so load is too high, or for this module for control for air conditioning supply from ECU is coming from inside of the power supply and inside of the one fuse for AC compressor clutch 10 ampere, or this is like this. Somebody is wrong, fix it with fuse is not broke, after his relay is the melts. I want showing another module I have in my workshop, so I want remove the AC compressor relay. You know, somebody he many times make question where is the relay for compressor clutch, but this relay is not for the openly, this is hidden inside of the relay is this module. I want to show you. This switch because the workshop have inside. I will explain for faults for AC supply is why is not coming air conditioning supply. So look at this, it's very micro relay for small one, it melts. Look at this, you know, somebody he will fix for the external extra fan, he is making overloads, so relay is coming melts. Where's the location for this relay for AC compressor clutch? I want to showing this module. This module, like always, I will showing inside of the always car another one. So look at this. This one module or this location for AC compressor clutch relay. So this is a micro relay, right? It melts because problem overload. Okay, so I will showing requirement for this relay pieces. So now I will change for relay, and inshallah is after is coming car is good. So this relay have 5 pin, 1 pin is coming over there and 4 pins is coming here. Okay, so do you have any problem like this? I will explain, you can make repair easily. So big problem for this relay always have hidden. Many people he will change for the old modules, I mean it's too much expensive, so usually he will many technician will bring it the used one is not very expensive, but sometimes is not available as good quality, so new one is too much expensive, but I will give a solution. You will remove for cover also. I'm showing with you outside my workshop on the car is cover is there, all fuse remove or remove cover. This is the location for AC compressor clutch relay. You bring the new relay, you have expensive this relay, you will buy new relay and fix it here. So thank you very much, you are watching my video, and I will make next video. So take care and work with carefully because this is a electronics module circuit. Many people will remove from print from electronic circuit, so soldering is coming, and like is coming soldering here, sometimes it's coming here, you will be removed from here, but sometimes soldering is going another way, so you make short circuit after it's coming another problem. So take care, carefully remove the relay and fix a new one. So inshallah your car is coming okay. So by the cheapest solution I will give you. So this module is the old car for Nissan, is coming like this, a little bit of different, but many cars have like same one module for location of engine compartments, and the engine compartment of the right near of the battery, this fuse box, and inside of the fuse box this module also have fuse relay. And you know, look at this, it's too much relay inside of the module. So but you will don't touch another, this is just this one small one relay is there, you will buy a new one and fix it. Okay, so now the video is little bit the big one, I'm really sorry, and the next video I will making. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye.